The benefits of the Iteracare therapy device. Terahertz technology resonates with our cells, thus activating healthy and dormant cells. Activates your own body's self-healing power so that it can eliminate bad, mutated, and free radical cells. Quantum technology generates scalar energy that energizes our cells, balances bodily systems, strengthens the body, produces healing energy, and penetrates deeper into vital organs. Optical quartz technology, it amplifies the energy generated from the device, creating a more powerful result. Mimics 1/40th of the sun's UV energy. It strengthens the auric field within the body. The amazing benefits include, number 1, increases self-healing ability in the body. Terahertz frequency induces and strengthens DNA and organic molecules and resonates with our cells and thus enhances self-repair. Number 2, clears meridian and lymph points. Number 3, activate dormant stem cells in the bone marrow. Terahertz frequency, together with quantum energy, can penetrate deeper into the bone marrows, activate dormant stem cells, thus creating brand new organs and tissues in the body. Number 4, improves microcirculation. Terahertz frequency dilates blood vessels, reduces blood flow resistance and viscosity. Number 5, regulating glands. Regulate endocrine glands and protect our organs. Endocrine glands send out hormones in the body, normalizing the bodily system in the body. Number 6, removes body humidity, clears unhealthy body moisture and fats, balances body's immunity systems. Number 7, helps remove discomfort in the body, to put it very mildly, removes various blockages in the body, meridian blockages, and enhances the body's own healing power, clears lymphatic blockages and weight loss. And lastly, great for skin beautification. The Terahertz device has shown to be helpful with removing acne scars, blemishes, anti-aging, beauty, moles, various skin discomfort. Get your Iteracare device right now and enjoy the wonderful benefits for yourself and your family.